I want to talk to you today about a part of the contract in Arizona called the loan contingency. When a buyer is buying a house and they're using a loan, part of the standard template contract says that the purchase is contingent upon the buyer receiving loan approval as late as 3 days before the closing. And if the buyer is not able to obtain loan approval 3 days before the closing, they are allowed to cancel the contract and get their earnest money back. Now, there's some moving parts to this contingency, and the most important one is that the buyer has to have done everything in good faith and diligent effort. So if the buyer didn't qualify because they went out and bought a new car and now they don't qualify, that would not qualify for a loan contingency. It has to have been something outside of their control why they didn't get the loan, but they could cancel using that contingency pretty late in the process. So something important to consider when negotiating the final terms of your contract.